been a minute. Got a lot done since the last time I recorded. Top pretty much done. Ripped the motor back out, front clip back off. About to repaint all this red. Pulled all the wires back through the firewall, clean all that up, slap them back together. Fender there, power steering pump, sway bar link, radiator support, wheel wells, and the Escalade on 30s. Alright folks, it's been a minute. Yeah, I've been messing with it here and there whenever I got time. Finally got everything, now well not everything, starting to get things primered, start painting. This thing would have been done a long time ago, but as I keep going, I keep adding to it. So it keeps stalling me out even longer. Like I wasn't even supposed to do all this right here. Frame and all that, I wasn't supposed to get painted. Front end wasn't supposed to get taken back off. But I'm like, if I'm gonna do it right. Semi-right, because right I should have took the body off, but we gonna make it work like this, you feel me? Come on now. I'm gonna show y'all come back when it's red. Check me out now though. Let me back up, hold up. Back up. Feel me, I'm red now. First time I ever painting. I think I'm professional now. Come on now. Come on now. I ain't playing, I'm just saying. Frame red now, my part of it. Underneath as well, going down. Come on now. All right, y'all. Day 2. Got the radiator support, wheel wells, hood hinges, springs. Wheel wells is going red. Hood hinges going red. Radiator support going red. Stay tuned. I'll bring y'all back when that's done. Alright, y'all. We got most of it painted red. Ran out of red paint. Gotta order some more. Don't trip. See, we ain't finished that one. But we got most of it. Sway bar springs. Radiator support, you know what I mean? The inside, we just need to finish this a little bit. There's a few other things that gotta go red, so I need more red regardless. Underneath the hood going red. Underneath the trunk going red. The rest of the frame going red. I need about a gallon. I thought a quart was gonna cut it, but it didn't. I'll tune y'all back in soon. Alright. A few days later. A few dollars more. We about to primer this firewall. From there down to all of there. We're gonna do that white. Got all the red blocked off. All these parts is gonna get primered. Some of them going black, some of it going white. Tune y'all back in once it's done primered. Here go the primer parts. I took some down, put some different ones up. All these parts was going black. I primered the firewall, but I covered it up. I'll show y'all tomorrow. before I paint it white. There go the radiator support. There go a couple of other parts that I have painted. All those are going white. All those are going white. These are some of the other ones that I had just primered up. Calipers will go back red. Those headers right there, gotta do those. This the motor. I gotta refreshen this up. Do the remix to this. I'm gonna show y'all how that come out when I'm done with it. Take a good look at it right now. You see it? And watch when I'm done with it. Alright, y'all. You got them painted black. About 2 coats. Maybe 3. Got that real nice gloss black, you feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Yes, sir. Alright, next day. We gotta paint the white painted. Some of it got the pearl already as well. Next step is clear coat. I ain't do these pearl. I put a little pearl on there because I had a little extra. Those is just regular white. Hinges got pearl. Can't really see it right now. A little bit. Can't really see it in the camera, but you can see it in the light or in person. This got pearl on it. This got pearl on it. Firewall got pearl on it. You can see it here and there. Maybe you can see it a little better once I throw the clear coat on it, maybe. Certain angles you can see him, you know what I'm saying? Just one coat real quick, nothing spectacular, you know what I mean? You're gonna see what it look like after the clear. I'll let y'all know. Alright, we got the pearl, the clear, just one coat of clear, one coat of pearl. I ain't go too crazy on it. Bit in the creases, you know what I mean? Look better in person. You see a little bit right there beaming. I mean, that's just one coat. Check out the little parts. I put a couple of those. See the Escalade on 30s, you feel me? Got the scrape over there. See the scrape? Planes blown, supercharged, peanut butter. This is next on the agenda. He dirty right now, some ugly wheels changed. Interior done, you feel me? He all taken apart right now, but once he go back together, interior done. To be continued. Don't even trip on this though. Man, I'm fucking my shit up. I'm about to turn y'all off for a second. Here we go with the parts. You feel me? This got pearl. See a little bit in there. There ain't really no sun in here neither, but he got pearl. Hinges got pearl. Like I said, just one coat of pearl, one coat of clear. Nothing major. Those is just white. This got pearl though, like I said. I'll take that in the light in a second and just show y'all. This got a coat of pearl. There really ain't no sun in here, but you know. I got a light for y'all. Like I said, that's only one coat. It ain't there like that, but for one coat, he cool. And this, let me see the pearl lightweight. That's just one coat. You see it in there. You see him in there. Ooh, he there, you see that? Hey. Alright, y'all. I had to clean the garage. It was chaotic in here. I got stuff everywhere. Transmission. That's all the parts off the 350 Rocket. I had to give me more counter space. But anyways, so I broke the motor down, primered him up. It's a little too cold to do some body work paint. So I said I'll start on the engine. Why not? So he primered. I might give it a second coat of primer tomorrow morning. And he will be gold by tomorrow. Stay tuned and I'll show y'all what that's looking like. Coming together slowly but surely. You know, it's a build on a poor man's budget. I gotta get a piece at a time. I'm coming though. It's gonna be worth it in the end. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, I got him primered. As you can see, got him painted gold. I ain't do the valve covers because I'm going with some new chrome ones. Put 2 coats of clear on it. Just letting him dry now. That's pretty much done. As you can see, this is all dinged up, dings. Another ding somewhere. They're good, but they garbage. They good for backups. I'll keep them, but put some chrome ones on it. Got this other intake over here. Edelbrock. Finna paint him. Finna paint all the brackets. That's the other intake. Same intake, but I just went with the other one because it had the little flag on it. That's all the other parts. So I'm gonna paint all the pulleys, power steering pump bracket, alternator bracket, things like that. Stay tuned. I'll show y'all when that's done.